Hello and good morning, grade 3. This is your English lesson. Today we are going to read a poem, The Moon, from Oxford Modern English, Book 3. So we start our lesson. First of all, I will tell you something about the poem. The poem is about the night time when moon shines at night. It looks like a clock in the hall. Here moon shines on the creatures who awake for the whole night, as thieves on the garden wall, on streets and fields and harbor quays, and birdies in the fogs of trees. The dogs, cat, bat, rat who creates disturbance at night also enjoy the beauty of moonlight. But the things who go to sleep do not enjoy the beauty of moonlight. Now read the poem together. The moon has a face like the clock in the hall. She shines on thieves on the garden wall, on streets and fields and harbor quays, and birdies asleep in the forks of trees. The squealing cat and the squeaking mouse, the howling dog by the door of the house, the bat that lies in bed at noon, all love to be out by the light of the moon. But all the things that belong to the day cuddle to sleep to be out of her way, and flowers and children close their eyes till up in the morning the sun shall rise. Understanding the poem, answer the following questions. A. What is the moon's face compared to? Answer. The moon's face is compared to a clock in the hall. B. What are the various things that the moon shines on at night? Answer. Thieves, streets, fields, harbor, quays, birds, sleeping in trees, and animals as cat, dog, mouse, bat. C. Which creatures love to be out at night? Answer. The cat, the mouse, the dog, and the bat. D. What do the things that belong to the day do at night? Answer. They cuddle to sleep, they nestle together or in a comfortable place and go to sleep. These questions are more difficult. Discuss them first. E. The poet has mentioned various creatures of the night. Which other creatures does the moon shine on at night? Answer. The moon shines at night on the birdies asleep in the fork of trees, the squealing cat, the squeaking mouse, the howling dog, and the bat. F. Name some creatures you know that love to cuddle up at night. Answer. Babies and animals like to cuddle up at night. 2. Which words at the end of lines rhyme? Write down the rhyming pairs. Answer. Hall, wall, keys, trees, mouse, house, noon, moon, day, way, eyes, rise. 4. Answer the questions about these lines from the poem. But all the things that belong to the day cuddle to sleep to be out of her way. A. Who or what is being spoken about? Here, people, animals, and plants that are awake in the daytime, they want to stay out of the way of the moon. B. What are some of the things that belong to the day? children and flowers belong to the day. C. What does cuddle mean? Answer. Hug, to nestle together or hold somebody or something close for comfort and warmth. D. What are some of the things that belong to the night? Answer. Living things and some other creatures belong to the night. B. Working with words. Here are some English proverbs. Read these expressions and talk about them. When do we use them? A. Better late than never. B. Never do things by halves. C. Many hands make light work. D. A stitch in time saves nine. E. Too many cooks spoil the broth. Here are some meanings. Match the proverbs above with the meanings below. A. If you repair something as soon as it gets bad, it will save time later on. So, D from above section, a stitch in time saves nine. B. It is better to come to something late than not at all. From above section, better late than never. C. If you have a lot of people to help, your work gets done quickly. C. From above, many hands make light work. D. If too many people help, the work may not be done well. From above, E. Too many cooks spoil the broth. E. Try to finish every part of a job. B. From above section, never do things by halves. C. Learning about language. 1. Put suitable conjunctions in the following blanks and write the complete sentences in your notebook. A. I have lost my knife and fork. B. She is very thin, but she eats a lot. C. Are you going to buy a shirt or a pair of trousers? D. Is that a robin or a swallow? E. My father and my mother are going to the market. F. I can sing, but I can't whistle. 2. Complete the following sentences in your own words. Pay attention to the conjunction used. A. He is tall and thin, but cannot squeeze under the car. B. We visited them last Sunday and we shall do so again this. C. We visited them last Sunday but cannot go next Sunday. D. We shall buy it in the market or in the shop. E. We shall buy it in the market and sell it for a profit. F. We shall buy it in the market, but it will be expensive. Thanks for listening. For new videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like my videos, please share and like.